Hello, once again, welcome to the Easy Earners Club where you get to learn how to earn sweatlessly online. So, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your exchange in order to withdraw your money dogs. But first of all, remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also share this video, like this video so that the YouTube algorithm can favorably support this video, and then share this channel and join us in our Telegram and WhatsApp group. The links are in this description section of this video. Now, what you want to do is to click on withdraw. Okay, so the level I've been given is the bronze level. I think some people are getting silver and gold and all that. So we just click on continue. So what we want to do first of all is to click on this join TGE box so that we can get extra. We can get between extra 1,000 to 3,000 money dogs. So click on open box. Click on open box, and then wow, I've been given 2,500. Not bad, not bad. Okay, press OK. So if you want to get additional money dogs, additional between 10,000 to 30,000 money dogs, you need to buy with 90 stars. Okay, but that is not giving any financial advice here. But then, is it really worth it? Is it really worth it? Because the supply is, I think from what I heard, is about 1 trillion or thereabouts. So I'm not doing this thing. And look at the instruction here. It says money dogs vesting amount from the TGE box will instantly be available. So the one I just claimed right now, the extra bonus I just claimed, will be instantly be available. TGE box is available on a limited basis and may end without prior notice. So you need to come in and get into your TGE box and get your bonus as quickly as possible. So we go back home and then click on withdraw to BitGet. So I click on withdraw to BitGet. So these are what we'll be needing: our UID from BitGet and the money dogs wallet address for BitGet. So let's just quickly go and get it. So right now I'm on this is BitGet exchange. This is the BitGet app. So there are two apps from BitGet. One is an exchange, one is an app. This is how the exchange look like, and you can download both of them anyway from the from the Google Play Store. And this is BitGet wallet, you can see. So when you go to Google Play Store, your BitGet wallet will look like this. Wallet will be there, but BitGet exchange will look like this, and it is only BitGet written on it. So we just open it up. So my BitGet wallet is open. What you want to do is to click on this icon at the top left corner there. This is you can see in this space has my username and my UID information. So what you want to do is to click on this small icon here, right here, so that you'll be able to copy your UID. Right here, what you want to do is to come to this section. You can see UID right here. UID. Then what you want to do is to look at this small icon at the right hand corner. So you just click on that copy icon, click on it to copy your UID. So what I want to do is to paste this. Then we'll go and get our deposit address also. So I'm back at the home page of the BitGet. So click on assets below here at the bottom right corner. Click on it and then click on add funds. You can see add funds here. Click on deposit crypto. Then in this search field at the top here, just type in money. You can see mdogs. Okay, so that's what you want to tap on or click on. Click on it. So you can see that it is under Ton Coin. I beg your pardon. It is under Ton Wallet. So you just come and then click on your deposits wallet address. Click on it to copy. Go back and then you simply paste it. Simply paste and then click on submit. So the withdrawal submission has been successful, and you can see the amount to be withdrawn and of course the money dog is going to be vested, and then you can see reset here. In case you make a mistake, you can actually reset it again. So finally, I'm back to the home page. Now we can click on this. This is the amount that will be vested for each month for me. So your own too might be different depending on how much you have, you understand. Let's quickly look at it here in the Money Dogs community. So as you can see in this place, it says that your Money Dogs are not locked indefinitely, meaning they are locked for now, but it's not going to be indefinite. They will be vested over what, 12 months. Okay, ensuring steady value. So it means that this token withdrawal or airdrop is going to be vested. And again, one thing you need to be aware of is that deposits, is now available, so which is what we have done now. And the next thing is January 23 is going to be tradable listing, it will be listed, and trading will start, and then withdrawal of Money Dogs will start the following day, 24th of December. So guys, that's the information you need to be aware of for now. So make sure to like this video, and then please subscribe to this channel and share this video. Also remember to join our Telegram or WhatsApp channel. So, all right, stay blessed. This is the Easy Earners Club. Bye.